Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to buy Midjourney. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to buy Midjourney, you just simply have to open your Discord server and into there open this getting started option of Midjourney. Now after going into this section, just simply scroll to top and you will get this get your Midjourney membership option. Just simply tap into that and then tap to visit site. Then after tapping into that visit site option, you will get the option of menu and login. Just simply tap into login option, and into this login section just simply choose the suitable login option for you. Now after logging in to Midjourney, you just simply have to tap into this menu section and then go to manage subscription. After going into manage subscription, you will get two options to begin with. First one is the yearly basic plan with the $8 per month, and second one is monthly billing with the $10 per month basic plan. You will get a lot of many more plans into here. By scrolling, check all of them, and you can also watch the features that they provide. Now in order to buy, you just simply have to tap into subscribe, and after that Midjourney will open up a new site for you where you have to enter your email address and then payment method, and then click to this subscribe button. That's all you have to do in order to buy Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.